You know, you look at a pretty measured, I guess, response, mixed but measured response in Asia in terms of the equity session as we get these jabs and now, you know, the threat of retaliation in kind out of Beijing for the US trade tariffs.
Well, absolutely. These aren't new measures. They're just the details that we were waiting for and the measures that were announced last week. So it's kind of good that Asia hasn't panicked, hasn't overreacted. It is a sensible reaction given these aren't new. Overall, though, I think bulls will be slightly discouraged by the fact that the bounce today has been pretty minor across kind of US markets in particular, but generally in global markets relative to the pain seen last week. And that's overall a theme we're seeing, that we're seeing lower and lower highs, even though we're seeing kind of greater losses each day. So I think we're going to continue getting this kind of volatility in the next couple of weeks as we get both positive headlines on trade and negative headlines. But overall, it seems that the direction of that volatility is bigger losses than bigger gains.
Right, Mark, you've got Peter Navarro talking about buying the dip. Is that justified?
Well, it's very bizarre to have a US administration official, White House official, to specifically kind of recommend trades. And it also risks a bit of a problem if, you know, equity markets continue to tank, because it implies the government doesn't even know how to stop the fall. But, you know, some people might take it as a positive sign. And certainly it's a flag at the moment that PE ratios for the S&P have certainly come down a long way, and valuations are starting to look very attractive. We've fallen back to the level we were in mid-2016 when we were kind of at the early stages of the last leg of the bull market rally in global equities. So I think bargain hunters will start kind of looking at equities again this month. But that's a slow process. We still have the background thing of trade, of tech woes that will take several weeks to play out.